channel. This is Ruthie again, and I just got a package in the mail, so I'm super stoked. I ordered it from Amazon. It's a little toolkit for planting. So I figured I'd just open it, let you guys see it as well. Hopefully it's awesome. Oh yeah. I saw a fellow YouTuber using a little tool, and I always have a problem, like when I'm planting, I have to find something sharp like a pen or something to just poke the succulents in there and put them in place. So when I saw that, I was like, I have to have that, and she just happened to have a link, so I purchased it. And then I saw this other great stuff in there. So this is awesome because it's cool. You can water the plants in there in little tight spots, especially when you just made an arrangement like I did, and you don't want to water the whole thing and get it on top of the flowers. This is really gonna work good for me. I'm really happy about that. I needed this. Okay, so I see all of you guys blowing the dirt off of the plants all the time, and I don't have one of these, so I am excited to have a little bulb to blow dirt and water off my succulents. Look at this little baby. So I'm excited about that. I'm really happy about this set already, and I haven't even gotten everything out. So this was what I saw her using. It's this little cone edge that you can place your plants in there and kind of just adjust or make the hole, and then plant the plant in there. So when I saw that, I was like, I have to have that. And then the little shovel to shovel and scoop some dirt and just put them in tight little spots. I could have really used this the other day when I was planting my planter up front. So this was specifically why I wanted to get it. But then when I saw everything else that was in there, like this bulb, I said, this is happening. I'm getting it. And this brush, I always see you guys use the brushes to get the dirt off the plants. That's going to be really handy because I was using my makeup brush the other day. And then I saw all this other stuff that was in there. I was like, this is amazing. Right, and this is another great tool. You can use it to pick the plants up. Sometimes, well, my Wreck-It Ralph huge Shrek hands, it's difficult for me to get into tight spots. So this you can use to, lift the plants out of the, my baby, out of the little pots and stuff. And then this is another shovel, and then you can use it to scoop the dirt and then just place it into little tight spots. I'm loving this set. Like, I don't even understand. I can use every single one of these pieces so far. And it was, I think, $11. I got it in like 2 days. So I don't know if you can hear the excitement in my voice, but I'm super excited. Oh my god. Look at this tiny shovel. I hope you guys can see. This is so cute. Again, this is awesome for little tight spots when you're, doing centerpieces or, arrangements. A lot of times you don't have space to put dirt in there, and these little tools are awesome. They use them for like bonsais as well, so they're perfect. Oh my god, I can't even. It's too cute. Look at this. Look at this rake. Oh my god. Alright, this I'm super excited about. Look at all of these pieces I got, and I'm not even done yet. Another little shovel. I love this. And then there's some tweezers. I don't know exactly what this is. Looks sharp. I'm guessing it's to cut. Oh god, I hope I don't cut myself. Oh, look at that. I guess it's to snip little pieces, leaves and stuff off. That's awesome, but it's super sharp, so I almost like cut myself. And then there's like a tweezer. I guess this is good for you to, if you're propagating leaves or need to get leaves out of places. I have no idea. I've never used it. I'll try and figure out what it's for. I'm sure it'll be super handy. And then this is a more needle nose tweezer. I'm sure it'll be super helpful as well. While I have you guys, I might as well show you this little tiny pot haul I got the other day. I have to debut them because I love them. And I'll just set them out here. This is going to be so awesome when I have to just like water in little spots. I got a bunch of these little pots, and I hope you can see them really well. I'm just going to move this over in the meantime. I am really excited about this set. And I am going to add the link to the bottom of the page if you guys are interested. It's, you know, I think it's going to be really handy for me. And, you know, figured I'd share. Look at this. This is a bluebird. Echeveria bluebird. I got a couple of those. I had to get them because I don't even have these. And I figured I can propagate them. I don't know if you can see the color or not, but it has some pinks. And on the edges, and I think it had a baby. Well, either way, I'm going to plant this. I'm trying to figure out what kind of little project you can do to put all these little babies in. If you guys have any ideas of something cute I can make, this one is a Pachyphytum moon silver. Super cute. This is a Echeveria parva. Super cute. Oh my god, I can't even stand them. They're so darn cute. This is a hen and chicks sempervivum. I've never had one like this. It has like the webs. I don't have many sempervivums in general, but this one I saw and I had to get. Sorry for breach. This is another parva. I bought a couple of those because I don't have those. And then I have, how cute is this? This tiny little one, and it has babies. It's a hen and chicks sempervivum jade rose, and it has 2 babies, one on the side, one on this side. And this one also has some babies. It's a Derenmensis Echeveria. Never heard of that one. Super cute. And I don't know if this one says what it is. This is it's a sempervivum. I just don't know if it's the same as that one. I don't think it is because it doesn't have as many webs there. And this is jade rose. Sempervivum jade rose. So if you guys have any ideas of what I can do with these little guys for a project, I haven't quite figured out what to do with them yet. And this one I thought was so interesting. This one, I threw this one in there because it kept falling out of the other planter, the other pot. But this is a aloe. Doesn't say exactly what kind of aloe, but it's really interesting. And I think I saw one on another channel previously, and it was a larger one, and it was so cool. It had like 4 or 5 of these like wings or ears, and they were just huge. So I'm excited to plant these. I don't know where to plant them exactly, what kind of a planter yet, but I wanted it to be something cool. And if you guys have ideas, again, let me know. And then I have one more here. This is Echeveria morani, and I'm going to put the names on there afterwards. But I really wanted to share this tool set that I got because I thought it was going to be so helpful for me. Again, let me see how many pieces came in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These things are too much. This is too cute. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 piece set, and I believe it was like $12, $11, something like that. And I had the Prime, so it was free shipping. So I will put the link below. Thanks again. I'm super happy. I've gotten quite, a few subscribers more than I thought I would, and I'm really appreciative for your attention. Have a great day and happy succulenting. Does that even make sense? No. Have a good night. Bye. And please like and subscribe. Good Lord, can I say the word subscribe? Please like and subscribe down below. Have a great day.